Hello, in front of me I've got RingCon 2. In this video we'll check if this ring has any manual gestures. If you want to check your heart rate or blood saturation, firstly you can go to App and go to Insights. Right here you can manage sleep, stress, vital signs and measure them. If you want to check if this ring has any manual gestures, take a look at it. Unfortunately, right here there are no touch panels, and according to device description in user guide, we can only measure heart rate, saturation via the app. So this ring does not have any manual gestures. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.